I'm thinking of Theo.
Pick that up.
Stop.
I'm sorry. Cyr, why didn't you just pick up the bottle?
Dude, it's the freaking wilderness. It's not that big of a deal.
Nobody's gonna pick up that bottle!
No one needs to pick up the bottle. It's just for nature, dude.
It's not nature! This is more than that! It's a bottle and nobody's gonna pick it up. Do you have any idea? Do you even think?
Please don't yell at me.
You need to be responsible for your actions.
I'm not one of your good people, Corey.
Where is your responsibility? You are a good person, I know it. What about your mother?
You're going to bring my mother into this?
Cyr, your mother believed in you. And so do I. Nature needs heroes. And only people like us can rise to that challenge. We need to care for the rest of the people. We need to save the planet. Cyr, join me.
We can be heroes.
Cyr, we're heroes.
We're heroes.
We're superheroes.
We can be superheroes.
We can be superheroes. Will you join me in this quest?
Yes, I will do it.
Let's go pick up that bottle. Let's go.
Yeah!